What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a slider or a slideshow, image slideshow on your down theme on Shopify. So first of all, go here to online store from the menu on the left and then make sure the themes option is selected. It's the one selected by default, and make sure you are currently on the down theme, which is the default theme when you create a Shopify store or a new store on Shopify. It's the theme that is first applied by default. If it's not applied here, go ahead to the themes library and then select the down theme and add it, and then make sure to add the theme or activate it. Now here, click on customize. It'll open up the theme editor. And then here you have the header, you have the main body, and you have the footer. You want to add an image slider in the main body. So here in the template, click on add section, and here you want to search for slideshow. So slideshow. Okay, here it is. Click on it. And now it is added. So it's added below the main sections here, the header. And if you go ahead and click on it, you can just here drag it on top of the image banner if you want to, and so basically you can say change the position. Now if you click on it, here you will open the options. Here you can select the heading, so it says slider or slideshow, for example, when it says slideshow, and here you can select the images. I can select here the image or explore free images. So let's explore free images for the sake of this video. I'll just click on random images just to show you. Okay, here is the one. Let's go back. And if you see here, you have a slideshow of two images, so 1 of 2. And if you click on this arrow, it's 2 of 2. And here you can go ahead and add another image. So explore free images. Okay, now let's add another random image, select it. And as you can see here, I have another image. I selected another image. I repeated the steps and select another image, and here you can edit all the settings for the slideshow.